I got sent some coloured contact lenses, and if you want to know what I got up to, watch this. Have you ever put in coloured contact lenses but felt that your makeup didn't actually live up to the vibe? Well, today I'm going to show you 3 different coloured lenses, and I'm going to show you exactly how I switch up my makeup to match my lenses. I'm not getting paid for this, but I was sent these contact lenses by a company called Hanix, and they asked me to try 3 colours, and this is what you get. You get a beautiful box. It says, "Hey beautiful, shine in her uniqueness." I haven't even opened it yet. This is the package. They come beautifully packaged. Inside you get a little card saying thank you very much, and a sponge, and 2 instruments that help you put your lenses on as easily as possible. There's a very small and very helpful suction pad which you put your lenses on top and pop them into your eyes, and these are specialised tweezers that will help you get them out of the packaging. Now I've ordered 3 colours: Faded Blue and Adeline Blue and Oasis Olive, and I'm going to try the olive ones first. Get you 2 contact lenses and a handy little case to keep them in. These can last 12 months or 6 months. You can opt for whichever one on their website, and you can also order prescription lenses. I've opened my package, and that's the contact lens on the little arm, which is very helpful. Now I'm going to try and put these on. I've got a mirror down here, so excuse me if I look away from camera. And I hope you can see me. And there they go, popped in really easily. And wow, look at that. Green eyes, brown eyes. That's amazing. Green, brown, and here are both of them. Aren't they beautiful? Absolutely stunning and really easy. They're really comfortable. Wow, can't stop looking at myself. Now I promised you makeup to match. I started off with a fairly neutral makeup, and all the products are going to be listed down below, together with the link to Hanix. And although I'm not getting paid for this, they are giving me an affiliate link, and there's an affiliate link below as well, so that you save a little bit of money if you purchase through that link, and I get a small percentage. Now, green, I don't want to start all over again, so I'm just going to add certain things, and I'm going to go to my Petal Morphosis palette from Pat McGrath and just take a little bit of this green here and just pop it on the outer corner, just to enhance the green. I'm going to blend it in a second. I just want to put it where I want it. This is so exciting. It's really inspiring, actually. If you go onto the Hanix website, it gives you a lot of information about these lenses and how to apply and the history of the company. They say, our name Hanix is derived from her uniqueness, a quiet yet bold affirmation that beauty has no single definition. We design coloured contact lenses and eye makeup for each she across every skin tone, every culture, every style and every chapter of life. They do ship worldwide. I believe it's free shipping for orders over £30 or the equivalent in any other currency, and it's a £5 shipping charge worldwide for orders under £30. So it's really reasonable. going to add a little bit to the outer corner, and there we go. I'm catwalk ready. Once I've tried them all on, you'll have to tell me below which ones are your favourite colours. That is so interesting. That's amazing. I don't want to take them off. I've just added a little bit of Rhode Peptide Lip Gloss in Toast. So there we go. Here are the green ones. They're really comfortable and they look amazing. The Oasis Olive came out very easily. I put them in the little case provided, and there's an R on here to tell you where to put your right hand on and where to put your left hand on. Just a reminder of what my real eye colour is. It's actually deep brown. Back in a minute. And that is faded blue. My real eye and faded blue. Again, they look so natural. This is a bold colour. I'll just put the other one on. And here's both. These have a life of 1 year. The olive ones were 6 months, but these are a year. Took the other ones out, put these in, absolutely no problem whatsoever. Absolutely amazing. And for this one, eye makeup, what am I going to do? I'm going to go to my Audacious Aqua mini palette from Sephora, and there's a sort of aquamarine colour here, so I don't know, it's either going to clash or it's going to look great, who knows. So I'm just going to put some in the middle, just to almost extend the blue. How fun is that? Okay, that's insane. That is absolutely insane. But so much fun. So those are the blue. I don't want to take these out either. Do you prefer these or do you prefer the green ones? This is such a fun adventure. Honestly, these are all first impressions. I have no idea what colour these lenses are. I wanted to try them on with us all together. So, yeah, no idea, but here we go. And this is Adeline blue. It's a deeper blue than the last one. The others were quite neon. This one looks a little bit more natural. Does go with my blue dress. And there's the blue. And there's my eye. This is the most fun try on ever. And this is both eyes. I've done this all in one session, taking them in and out and in and out, and it's very, very, very comfortable. Eye makeup's all wrong though, so I'm going to go into my Victoria Beckham lid luster, which is this colour, and I'm going to, it's all going to be a bit messy because I'm obviously not going to take everything off and start all over again, but this is a very, very easy one and done. Look at that. Matches them perfectly. See? A little bit underneath, and finally a little bit of blue mascara just to make sure nobody's in any doubt what colour we're trying to get across.
Let's get started.
Take it out slightly just to ring the changes. And about that. A little bit of pink blush just to even it all out. And yeah, that's my third look. That is Adeline blue, which is lovely, so much fun. Descriptions down below, Hanik's website's down below, the affiliate links down below, any products that I've used down below, and do leave a comment and tell me what you think of coloured contact lenses. What do you prefer, the Oasis Olive, Faded Blue, or Adeline Blue? Let let me know, leave a comment down below. I hope you've enjoyed this journey, and if you have, please do hit the like and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and hit the notification bell if you want to catch more, and hopefully I will see you soon.
Stopping me.